Yes, so area hello, hope say everywhere Palash normally now on a guy at boss. And I say make I can drop some of the latest transfer them see and some of the latest story for inside the football lifestyle for on our table. Barcelona and French forward Ousmane Dembele they open to move to Newcastle when the contract with Barcelona finish by the end of this season. No be small thing, everybody done they link to Newcastle small time. Even people wey dey waka for road safe, they go they linked with Newcastle. Make Newcastle can sign me now since their money long well. But we know say once new club take over like this because of the kind of money where this Newcastle owner gets, many players they linked with the club currently. But make we see how it go. Make we see whether this Ousmane Dembele matter more to go see they come out. As they come out, we go drop am on a regular basis. Okay, now Tottenham Hotspur don't join Atletico Madrid, Borussia Dortmund, West Ham and Southampton for the clubs when they follow up Super Eagles of Niger striker matter Paul Onuachu bumper to bumper. Paul Onuachu normally last season he scored 33 goals for Genk, and this season he don't score 11 goals for 11 games. And Tottenham Hotspur don't join the clubs when they follow up in matter bumper to bumper. And according to the story where they come out from 3 people, they talk say Genk go want around £20 million for the star striker head. And but with the CI they go Paul Onuachu last season he scored plenty goals. This season he they score more goals. So definitely more clubs going to involve for the player matter. Make we see whether the next transfer window when they come, January transfer window don't open again, whether I go figure move come one of the Premier League clubs where they link currently to Ram. All the information where they come out concerning Super Eagles of Nigeria striker Paul Onuachu, as they come, we go drop them back to back. Manchester City they follow up Serbian and Fiorentina striker Dusan Vlahovic. Dusan Vlahovic, that one striker we done they linked with many clubs, even with Tottenham Hotspur for the last transfer window. But now Manchester City name they don't call for the striker head. The striker normally don't tell Fiorentina say him no one signed new contract with the club. In contract go finish by 2023, but he don't say no one signed new contract with the club, and he done the link with a move to Manchester City. Manchester City done the link with a move to different strikers from last summer transfer window. Now they done the link with Dusan Vlahovic, will be Serbian international, and last season he's completing goal for Fiorentina for the Italian Serie A. Make we see how they go. All the information they come out concerning Man City and Dusan Vlahovic. As he come, we go drop him toilet for on table. Manchester United and France midfielder Paul Pogba don't talk when them ask him after Manchester United UEFA Champions League game with Atlanta on Wednesday night. Say him enjoy the football when in they play for Manchester United, and Cristiano Ronaldo now one of the best players for the world, and he enjoyed to the play with Cristiano Ronaldo. Paul Pogba talk this one when they asked him about a future after Man U game on Wednesday night, and he did let people they know say him like what they do for Manchester United, and him like the fact saying they play with one of the greatest footballer to ever play this beautiful game, Cristiano Ronaldo. And make we see all the updates when they come out concerning Paul Pogba and in future and Manchester United. As he come, we go drop him on a regular on a know as they go. Juventus big oga Pavel Nedved will be like say that the club vice president and former Juventus midfielder don't talk say the club they close to agree new deal with Argentine forward Paulo Dybala. Paulo Dybala currently now one of the star players we they get for Juventus, and Juventus big oga Pavel Nedved don't talk say the club they close to agree new deal. Once the club drop official announcement for this new contract, we go drop them for on our table. Chelsea manager Thomas Tuchel don't drop update for the injury way Belgium striker Romelu Lukaku and German forward Timo Werner get for Chelsea match against Malmo on Wednesday night for UEFA Champions League. And Thomas Tuchel talk say Romelu Lukaku twist the ankle for inside that match, and in talk say the injury way Timo Werner get for that match the hamstring injury, and those injury go take some time, and that one when in talk means say those players now they go miss some match for Chelsea for the coming matches where they come. So we wish Romelu Lukaku and Timo Werner and say they go recover from this injury fast, and they for feed soon. They do the thing where they sabi do. This now the informate the way I say me I can't drop for on a table. Make sure don't forget to support football in Pidgin. I beg. Make sure subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now free to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Make sure share our content for Facebook, for Instagram to our friends and family. We be like say on a regular they be football people. Make una enjoy the rest of our day, and make una stay safe out there, and remain una loyal boy at boss. Una bye bye.